Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. New iconic abilities. Iconic abilities. Scarlet. Hi. What? Okay.
しかし召喚獣の力
Alright, so I got these stuff. Ability. Can I wear something? Let's see. Looks like I can't change it for now. Okay, here we go.
あれほどとは
人の姿に戻ればやれるはずだ。その時を狙うしかない。
Wait, R2 and L for change your tab. Right now, I can't do it. Yep, I can't. Hold it? No, I can't! Really, I can't! See? It's locked right now. You couldn't in a demo. Weird. Oh, really? Maybe they changed. Hold harder! Unlock it then!
めちゃくちゃにしやがって
I love Final Fantasy XIV. Me too! Me too! Alright, seems like I still can't do anything about this. I have a lot of ability points though. I have 400. So I thought maybe I can use those to unlock new abilities, but probably not yet? Probably not yet. In the demo, you already could do it? Alright. I feel like that's a bug. You can use them? Should be able to. See, you see that like the screen is shaking every time when I press R2. Chad, I think I was pressing R1. I'm so sorry, Chad. I think I was pressing R1, not 2. 1, not 2. すいません。すいません。Sorry. My bad. My bad. No, I am. Alright, there you go. Oh.
So you just had to press harder. We told you.
Hi, sorry.